Hi, I'm Roberta LaRocca, Realtor and Broker Salesperson with Simply Vegas Real Estate. So let me show you inside the model homes of Verona by Taylor Morrison at Lake Las Vegas. Here on Lake Las Vegas Parkway, the first right leads to Verona. You pass through existing communities on the way. For time, I did speed this up just a bit. At the top of this hill, you make a right at the stop sign. As we continue to Verona, this gives you an idea of location. All homes of Verona are two-story with two-car garages. There are two other floor plans that aren't modeled. The three model homes are the Laurel, Maple, and Magnolia. Starting here with the Maple, with dual primary option. Hall leads to laundry, half bath, study or optional bedroom. Stairs to second floor. Next, the great room with kitchen, dining, living, and patio. The Maple ranges from 2,262 to 2,521 square feet. 3 to 5 bedrooms, and 3.5 to 4.5 baths. Into the first floor primary suite. The bath with dual sinks, walk-in closet, and glass door tile shower. Now, let's head upstairs. At the landing is an optional game room. Next is a loft. There are 2 more bedrooms here with shared full bath, and this is one of them. Next to it is the second primary suite. The bath with tub and shower, walk-in closet, and again, dual sinks. Now, onto the Magnolia model at 2,468 square feet. The foyer leads to great room and stairs with living, patio, dining, and kitchen. Down the hall, a study modeled as optional bedroom. Garage entry and half bath. Now to the upstairs landing. First is the laundry, and next to it, another bedroom. The next 2 doors are for a full bath and 1 more bedroom. The loft is next and can offer an optional bedroom. So this home can have 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3 baths. On to the primary suite, modeled here with optional balcony. In the bath, once again double sinks, walk-in closet, and a shower and tub. On to the 2,241 square foot Laurel model. Here the great room with kitchen, dining, living and patio. Behind this wall, a half bath. And modeled with bedroom, or can offer flex game room or office space. Now, let's go upstairs. The loft can also be an optional fourth bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Across from this is a full bath. And a second bedroom. Back out to the loft. This takes you to the hall. With the laundry. Next to it is the primary suite. In the bath, a tile shower, again a walk-in, and double sinks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you're interested in purchasing a new or resale home or selling your home in the Las Vegas area, I can help you. For new homes, you should know that if you register online or visit a builder's home site without me or allowing me to get you pre-registered, you have lost my ability to assist you. It's just one of the many real estate issues that most are unaware of. Of course, if you just have questions, or I can help you now, just get in touch.